Hello beautiful! In this video, we're going to review the new Nars eyeshadow palette. Let's see if this is the best eyeshadow palette of 2022. Stay tuned until the end of the video to see a smoky purple eyeshadow tutorial using this palette. This is the new Nars Stargaze eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette retails for $60 on the Nars website. It contains 12 eyeshadows with neutrals and shimmers. There's 5 mattes, 4 shimmers, 2 satins, and 1 glitter eyeshadow. I really like the shimmers and mattes in this palette. The texture truly is velvety, and the shimmers are stunning. I didn't like the satins, however. I found them to be a little chalky and difficult to blend, as you will see later in this video. The shimmers though are truly stunning. They actually look a little wet on my arm and I love that. Definitely some of the best shimmer shades I've ever tried. Overall, I think the colors are beautiful and wearable for every day. You definitely can achieve a smoky eye look with these deep purples.